So my name is Hadil Sadoun. I'm the BIM manager for Coventry University Estates. BIM is very beneficial for estates management and facilities management. Instead of getting data in physical printed drawings and manuals at the handover stage, you can get data-rich BIM models. You can use those to integrate with your facilities management system and get the data as an input for your BMS systems, the building management systems. That way you are able to manage the data more efficiently. It helps to manage buildings more efficiently, and it helps in the planned preventive maintenance and also the reactive maintenance. So it's very, very beneficial to get better data with BIM. BIM also helps to visualize the projects from the very beginning of the project. It helps us to understand the layout, the spaces, to analyze the architectural design and how it can fit with our students' needs, with our staff needs, the faculty, and also how we can give better services to our students. So BIM is a great way to design, construct, and also eventually manage the buildings to benefit our students. I think the major issue with BIM implementation is the lack of good skills. We need to focus more and more on upskilling the workforce and teaching students from very early stages about BIM, getting them to have modeling skills, management skills, a wider understanding of the application of BIM, not only for design and construction, but also the impact of that process on the facilities management and the end of life cycle of the project, the handover phase. So it's really important to teach, give more awareness about BIM to the students who are the future project managers, BIM leaders, designers, architects, contractors. And that's why we need to have a lot of effort inputted into the upskilling process of our workforce. I believe that the lack of good skills is the main barrier to BIM implementation in the UK. We use BIM because it's a better way of getting data, of obtaining information, of understanding the design process, of understanding and analyzing the construction process. BIM also allows us to do clash detection very early in the construction and the design process, so that we'll have much less clashes on site. So it's really an efficient tool of designing, constructing better buildings, and also later getting correct data to manage the facilities. New mixed reality technologies are great developments of BIM applications. We can now use models in a virtual reality environment and also augmented reality environment. For augmented reality, you can view the models or part of objects in your building, and you can understand some assets and how you can find that location accurately, and you can find the data connected to that asset by projecting it into the augmented reality via the augmented reality app into your real space. You can understand the asset, you can get the data connected to that asset, and that way you can manage it or rectify any issues related to that asset. So I see a lot of potential for augmented reality applications to be developed more and more, and to offer more benefits with BIM implementation. Virtual reality is a really great visualization tool. It helps designers, architects to view the space that they designed and get the client engaged. And getting that early engagement will allow everyone in the team to understand the layout, to understand the spaces, to understand even the finishes, the colors of the space. And it really allows to get better informed decisions made at early stages. And it also allows client satisfaction, of course, by allowing them to see a virtual model and getting them a sense of how the space will look like at the end. So virtual reality is a really, really great tool.